Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your cash flow account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you create a customer quote in your cash flow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a customer quote anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers require a quote before you get the contract. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your cash flow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my cash flow account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a customer quote, you're going to click up here on sales. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click here, sales quotes. Okay, once you click on sales quotes, you're going to see all the quotes you might have created previously. However, in order to create a new sales quote, up here on the top right, click on create new. Okay guys, so here is where you can go ahead and set up a sales quote in your cash flow account. So you can give it a quote number. So let's do 309. Issue date, we can go ahead and issue that today. You can issue it for a previous day. So maybe we went out and did the quote last week, or you can schedule it for the future. So for today, I'll go ahead and leave it for today. Category, we can go ahead and list it as a draft for now. However, once you've sent it, you can come back in and change it to sent. And then once you have sent it out, you can go ahead and mark it as you're in negotiation or review. And then finally, you can mark it as lost or won. So I'm going to put draft. Currency, I work in US dollars, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. Quote reference. So this is something that you can reference with your customer. So maybe we'll put YouTube channel review. Here you can go ahead and choose your customer. So you can see I have 4 customers here. If this is for a new customer, you can easily just click on this blue plus icon right here. And down here, we can go ahead and start adding in products. So we're going to do a YouTube consult and we're going to do 2 different channels. And then the rate, let's go ahead and put this at $9.99. Here you can go ahead and add a comment. I would recommend this. So that way you can kind of zero in the quote. And that way, if the terms of the quote change, then the price could change. So maybe they need to give you access or information or provide supplies within 7 days. Otherwise, the quote is not valid, something along those lines. Okay, so once you put together your quote, go ahead and scroll down and then click on save. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the sales quote right here, sales quote 309. And then here is what it includes. And you can go ahead and print this out if they happen to be in your office. You can email it directly from Kashflow. And we can go back up here to sales, click on sales quotes. And as you can see right here is the sales quote. And like I was saying earlier, if you need to change the disposition, you can come right over here, draft, and let's go ahead and change this one to already sent. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to create a sales quote in your cash flow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.